Here is how to set up the safety assistance systems in your BMW with BMW Operating System X. BMWs with BMW Operating System X are equipped with a variety of driving assistant and safety features. Standard features include, for example, the lane change warning or the lane keeping assistant. Some features are automatically activated every journey, either by law or as a safety feature. To adjust the settings, tap on My Vehicle, go to Assistance, and open the Safety tab. Setting options include, for example, the deactivation or activation of the distraction warning. The lane change warning gives indications in the side mirrors of vehicles in the blind spot and of traffic approaching quickly in the adjacent lane. You can also select a steering wheel vibration as an extra warning signal. Depending on the driving situation, you get status indicators for the assisted driving features like the speed limit warning. Simply tap on it to deactivate the function for the current journey. See what your BMW sees. In the navigation, press the Assist View button. You get a detailed 3D navigation map with everything the driving assistance systems recognize while driving, like all the cars around you, for example. As you can see, your BMW with BMW Operating System X supports in many ways, but you are free to reduce the assistance. Are there sometimes journeys where you wish less safety warnings for this specific ride? We got you covered. Go to the Safety tab and activate Reduce Warnings. This setting is also available in the Quick Access section of the My Vehicle menu. And here are a few more tips. Press and hold the Safety tab to reset all safety settings to the recommendations. To make sure the sensors of your BMW can work properly, clean them from time to time. For example, dirt on the windscreen can lead to a reduced functionality. Under My Vehicle, Status, you can always check if your sensors are working properly. Watch our video about the parking assistant for more safety-relevant features and settings. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.
You bought the ultimate driving machine. Good for you. Now let's make sure you're using all of it. Tap one of these videos to unlock the full potential.